If you want to get better results while you're prospecting, okay, one of the 2 words. The first word is assumptive, and the second word is curious. Assumptive, what do I mean by that? Talk to people like you know them. All right, I talk to people like my mantra in my head is I went to high school with everybody I'm about to talk to. In my case, that'd be 25 years ago. Kidding. All right, so I'm talking to people like I haven't talked to them in a while, and they can't wait to hear what I have to say. All right, so assumptive. I assume they want to hear from me. They could tell that I do this all day, every day. I assume if they have interest, they want to set an appointment with me. I assume if they set an appointment with me, that they're going to list with me. All of those things, okay? And then the other word is you want to be curious. You want to know everything about them. You have to be curious. People's favorite subject is them, so it's always better if you stick with their favorite subject, them, okay? And you are curious about them. You want to know everything. They can't tell you too much. Sometimes they do. You can't tell you too much. And that's how you show people. By the way, that's the golden rule. That's the fiduciary responsibility anyway. So take it seriously, and I think you'll do very well.